Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back to another cook with Steffi. If you're new here, you are so welcome to the space. And to my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making isala soup. Isala soup is white soup, but today we are going to be using chicken. So we are making white soup with chicken. In Igbo we say we are making ofe isala amokoko. So let's not waste much of our time. Let me show you guys how I made this yummy goodness, shall we? Welcome back. So this is the chicken I'm going to be using. This is parent pork. It's stronger. So I've cleaned and washed the chicken properly. So I'll go ahead now to add my Cameroon pepper. I'm using Cameroon pepper. You can use any pepper you want, fresh pepper, anyone you want to use is okay. So I'll just add the pepper and then I'll be adding my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Ninja pot. This is my new discovery now. I used to use not chicken. Yeah, that's okay as well. But this is my new discovery in the kitchen. Like this is what is running in my kitchen right now. So yeah, I'll just go ahead to turn it. I'll just stir this thing very well just to like make the seasoning go around. Then I'll cover this and allow it to boil out. But I won't be adding any water for now. So in the other hand, I have my yam here. I want to cook this yam. This is what I'll be using for my thickening. So I'm going to cook it. After cooking it, I'll pound it. That's what I'll be using for my thickening. So yeah, back to our chicken. So this is the chicken and this is the water it has boiled out. I didn't add any water like I said before. I just wanted to boil out the water from inside. This will make the spices go penetrate into the right places inside the kitchen. Penetrate into the right places inside the chicken. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, you see the water. I didn't add any water at all. So right now this is perfectly okay this stage. So I'll just go ahead now to add water for this soup. I'm just trying to stir it to make sure that everything, like the ingredient, everything is properly stirred. Then I'll just go ahead to add water. So this water I'm adding now is going to help me like for the soup, like that's what we Igbo people call Ikwamilove. I don't know if that's general Igbo, but that's what we speak in my Igbo dialect. So yeah, I'll just add water. This is me just trying to test this to be sure if the seasoning was okay, and it wasn't okay. So I added more seasoning cube and then added more pepper to this. Please watch it very well. Me, I like pepper, that's why I added another pepper. So yeah, my yam is cooked. I'm going to pound it now. Yes, I'm not the one going to pound it, so I know you'll be like, I'm not the one pounding it, but yeah. So yeah, this is how pound your yam. If you don't know how to pound yam, you can use your food processor, but I decided to just pound it because I have someone that's going to pound it for me. So once it's like this, that means it's okay. All logo. Is that what they call it? Or I don't know. So back to our soup. It's now boiling and the thickener a bit, yeah, and the thickener is perfectly ready to be added. So I'll just go ahead to add my thickener. Like I said before in my previous salad soup, I don't like cutting the lumps, the thickener into pieces. I just like putting it like this. So once my soup is thickened, I will bring it out and keep it for the next soup. Is that for lazy people? I don't know. My mom said this is lazy people style of cooking, but this has been working for me. I don't know where I learned it from, but yeah, that is it. So I'll just cover this and let it boil. So yeah, this is what my soup is looking like now. It's not really that thickened, so I'll just leave it for some time. But yeah, I'm going to be adding dry fish to this soup because you know chicken, this chicken is strong. It's a strong type of chicken. So chicken is not the kind of meat that can easily get pieces inside the soup. So the reason for adding this dry fish is for more flavor, more taste, and as well, like so that if somebody is eating the soup, when eating the soup, you have small particles to be picking. You know what I mean now. You understand. So yeah, so when you're eating the soup, you have something small, small things to be picking. Not belaying here no fair. You understand? Yeah, so that's my reason for putting the fish. So yeah, I'll just go ahead to stir this thing. I will cover it and cook it for some time too. I'll just let it boil for some time so that the fish will get softened as well. So yeah, this is what our soup looks like. As you can see, the thickener is almost gone, but the remaining one, since my soup is thickening already, I'm going to take out the remaining one because I don't like seeing it inside the soup at all. So I'm going to be taking out the remaining one, and yeah, I'll just cover this and let it cook for some time too. Then after which I'll take down the soup. Our soup is ready. I'm just trying to stir it to like make sure everything is okay and all that. So this is what our soup looks like. Our soup is ready. So this is the sala and more kuku. Okay, white soup with chicken. So yeah, I have other recipes of white soup with goat meat, white soup with tilapia fish. So you can check that out. I'll be linking it in the description box, or it will be at the end of this video or somewhere at the top. So yeah, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Okay, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and share if you can. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for always supporting. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So let's enjoy this food. Can you see that? See, let me tell you, you see this soup is one easiest soup to make, like very easy soup to make. Can you see that? Can you see that? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.